Parts Express is offering a handful of new products from Topping. Let's take a look. The Topping NX3s is an ideal partner for your smartphone or DAP. It was designed to drive headphones, earphones, and IEMs with low levels of distortion and noise. It delivers outstanding power and is able to drive even the most demanding headphones. The front panel has two switches, one for gain and one for bass boost, which allows easy switching between their settings. The Topping NX4DSD is a hi-fi system that fits in a pocket. Its compact aluminum body is packed with high-end components and features, allowing you to enjoy high-resolution music on the go. With a DAC chip and USB interface supporting PCM 32-bit 768 kHz DSD 512 native files and headphone amplifier section generating up to 292 milliwatts for 32 ohm headphones, it is more than enough to allow a vast majority of headphones to perform to their full potential. The Topping A50 is an elegant and compact high-performance desktop headphone amplifier and preamplifier that can easily drive all kinds of headphones. Despite being compact in size, the A50 is very versatile and convenient as it's fitted for 3 different headphone outputs and it's suitable for headphone impedances from 16 to 600 ohms. The Topping DX3 Pro is a highly advanced desktop DAC, Bluetooth receiver, headphone amplifier, and preamplifier that delivers excellent audio quality. All enclosed in a stylish anodized aluminum case fitted with USB, coaxial, and optical inputs, and RCA and 3.5mm jacks, the DX3 Pro provides both superb audio and extreme versatility. The Topping D50S is enclosed in a unibody machined from a solid block of aluminum that provides a superior mechanical strength and anti-interference ability, as well as natural passive heat radiation to prevent it from overheating. Featuring a front panel and interface that are foolproof, the D50S has just one button and a nifty joystick to control all its settings, including turning on and off, auto on and off, volume control, mute, input selection, screen brightness, and PCM filter settings. To make it even more convenient to use, the D50S comes with a handy remote control that allows you to control the amp from the comfort of your chair. The back panel of the D50S is fitted with stereo RCA output and USB, coaxial, and optical inputs, as well as a Bluetooth antenna. The Topping P50 low noise power supply offers excellent performance and allows a hi-fi system to perform to its fullest potential thanks to the delivery of clean and sufficient power. The P50 is very practical and versatile. Fitted with 2 USB and a DC output means it can be used to supply power to several different devices. The P50 is an ideal choice to power other Topping products such as the DX3 Pro, the D50, the D50S, or the A50, among others. Learn more about all of these items at partsexpress.com.